You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Yes, there's going to be different pronunciations. Either the original, let's call it French pronunciation. Yes, it's a name of French origin, which is normally pronounced as Devault, with silent L and silent T. Don't ask me why, it's French. It's just like Renault, you know, Renault, the French car manufacturer. Well, it's the same. Devault, Devault. Some may pronounce it in English, therefore, either as Devault, or I believe there's a city in Pennsylvania that has this name, and in the US in particular, it's quite often pronounced as Devault. Yes, where you pronounce all the letters, which is kind of normal for English. I mean, is it? But in French, it's not normal to pronounce the last letters. So, Devault, Devault in French, or Devault. How do you pronounce it? In which context? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.